Check this out, guys. Check this out. I don't know how much that thing must weigh in order for him to bring it down with his little lift. Alright guys, check this out. Who says Chinese people don't come to the water? Welcome guys to my commentary. So pretty much you guys are seeing here a deck boat. I have a deck boat which is a Tahoe 2150, and I would never go out through this inlet. I mean, just the size of the waves. A deck boat is meant to be for the lake, not for this type of inlet. Check it out. Alright guys, so let me try to explain to you guys what are deck boats usually commonly good for when people go out and buy them. They're usually meant for the freshwater, so people go out freshwater fishing, they do water sports in the bay, they go out day cruising. It's definitely not meant to be out in the open waters. So any good boat owner that owns a deck boat, usually they usually have this, different apps which lets them know ahead of time how the weather's going to be like and how the water chops are going to be. Anything that's above 3 feet, it's already a bad day for a deck boat owner. So the first mistake these guys did was trying to go through this inlet where it is crazy out there. My friend Haulover Boats provided me these clips in order for me to show you guys what not to do. This is my commentary. If you guys want, go check out his channel and you'll see how bigger boats that are not deck boats have a difficult time trying to get through this inlet. And those are bigger boats that are meant to be in the open waters. And I just want to clarify something. I'm not putting down deck boats at all. In fact, I own one. I own a Tahoe 2150, which you guys have seen me in my boat. It is an amazing boat. It's fun, but I know what it's used for, and I'm not going to, for example, go on the expressway in a bicycle, because I know the bicycle is not meant to be used on the expressway. That's just an example I'm giving you. So it's the same concept. A deck boat is not meant to be out in the open waters. Alright guys, hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching the Miami Bro channel. Hope you guys like, share, and comment. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell to be notified of all my upcoming videos. Take care.